it's me Akila from mealprep.asia, and as part of my brand new guest series where I will be inviting a few guests into the Asian Meal Prep show. For the first show, I have the honor of meeting up with Nurul of One Habit Recovery, and today we are going to be learning how to make hummus. About hummus is that it's super healthy, it's nutritious, it's high in fiber, and personally I do not know how to make hummus.
Really?
Yeah, I don't. So that is why, I thought that since Nurul is really good at this, especially in Mediterranean food, I have invited her to come into the show and make some good old hummus for our snack options or even as a main meal option. So tell us, Nurul, a little bit about hummus. Yeah, what is it about?
Okay, one thing that not many people know, that hummus takes only 2 to 3 minutes to prepare. It's quick. So there's no cooking. You can see all the ingredients are kind of prepared already. So we just need a few spices, a good olive oil, and garlic. I love garlic. Lemon juice and chickpeas. That's it.
Cool. Okay, so you did mention a good olive oil.
Yeah.
So how important is that?
This is a Mediterranean dish, so olive oil is super major there.
Okay.
Yeah. So here I use Turkish olive oil.
Turkish olive. You can get it right in
Yeah,
Singapore?
I bought this in Mustafa Center.
Oh, cool.
And I don't use extra virgin because it's too overpowering. So I
Right.
use the normal olive oil.
Hear that? I always thought we use extra virgin olive oil. Wow.
Overpowering, but up to you. I mean,
Okay, so if,
cooking is up to you, right?
okay, cool. So if people don't have this olive oil, they can also sub it
Yeah,
with
no problem.
normal. Alright, awesome. Okay, so maybe we can dive in to see what we need.
Okay, so we have 1 can of chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
I drain it off. I drain the water off, and I keep 1 tablespoon of the juice.
Oh, great.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Half teaspoon of sweet paprika.
Sweet paprika.
My favorite ingredient, coriander, ground coriander.
Okay.
What is that? So this is 1 teaspoon of apa? Apa saya ingin mana? Cumin.
Oh, itu?
Some coriander.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Before I forgot. A 1/4 teaspoon of aku pasal confuse these 2 things.
Okay.
Wait, cumin, coriander.
Okay, cumin. This is coriander, babe. Right.
A 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, ground coriander.
Okay.
I'm always confused. A teaspoon of cumin seed.
Cumin
But,
powder, yeah?
Yeah, I use ground one.
Okay, cool. Awesome.
My favorite ingredient. A bit of lemon juice. Garlic. So up to you. I like to use 2 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
You like garlic?
I love garlic. It has really good inflammatory
Alright.
effects.
Olive oil. Some salt.
Yes.
Okay, what else?
No need pepper or anything?
No pepper.
Okay. Alright, so maybe we can get started, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. we are done. Look at Nurul's hummus. How awesome is that? It tastes really good, isn't that, Nurul?
Well, I should say. I made that.
I know, right?
Okay, you try.
Yeah, no. So I honestly just like to eat hummus by itself. So I'm pretty cool just doing this.
So we forgot carrot, celery, and cucumber.
Cucumber sticks. That was the plan. I had it in my mind this morning,
Okay.
but
Don't lie.
oh my god, it's so good. It's the garlic. I love the garlic.
Yeah, who doesn't like garlic?
Oh, the garlic's so nice. This is some salted sticks. So, oh my god, you need to pack this up for me. It's great, guys. It's so much better. It's so easy to make this at home. You know, you can just do it in like literally. It just took us like less than 5 minutes. You have all the ingredients ready. It's just so easy. You just need a food processor and just put everything in. And I can actually tell, like, you know, the quality of the olive oil is different. It's a different taste to the extra virgin that.
Yeah, so it's not overpowering.
Yeah, yeah.
Extra virgin is too much.
Yeah.
Because hummus, you want the simple ingredients to speak for itself.
Awesome. This is great. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Nurul. This is
problem.
great. Yeah, thanks for being on
Thanks
the
for
show.
having me.
No worries. So give this a try, guys. And if you like it, do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.